What's up, guys? So, as you can read by the title, we got us an unboxing today. So let's get this thing. Alright, so as you know, the title said this is some detail and stuff that I picked up from Amazon, and all the links will be in the description. Things you pretty much need to get started on. You want a detailed car. I don't know what's in these boxes, so that's the point of the unboxing. I can't say this is what. So we're gonna start off from the smallest box. As you guys can already see, this is our Stanley vacuum. It's wet and dry vacuum. So pretty much everything right here is the main machine you need to start detailing. I'm gonna have some detailed videos coming out next. Some cars. So you guys stay tuned for that. So let's get started with this one. My Rona-free gloves on. We're gonna start off with the smallest Amazon box. Let's see what this is. I don't know about y'all, but I like opening new packages. We even seen the freaking UPS people outside. Oh yeah, this is our fresh set. Okay. This is the brush set for getting a little small little crevices and stuff like that in between grills. Pretty much soft brushes. It came with this right here, which I didn't even know. It's a little dustpan and a broom. Pretty cool. It's pretty cool. It's a little soft. Nice little dustpan. Alright. So these brushes are supposed to be pretty good. I'm not just gonna open it and just say what I got. I'm gonna actually like give a full review. Help this stuff in case you guys want to get it. You're watching this video for a reason, right? Alright, so these brushes are pretty good. The detailing brushes nice and soft. Some are a little harder than others. They all come in different sizes. So it's a good bang for the buck right there. Alright, let's throw that to the side. Alright, next smallest one is this one. And the knife. That's nothing. This is the drill brush set. Alright, so as you guys know, I'm gonna be starting the detail in the detail business. And this right here is drill brush set for when I clean my carpets and stuff like that. I believe this is 25 pieces, a 25-piece kit, 20-piece kit. You do need a drill with this. Okay. I actually have a drill myself, so you do need a drill to use these tools. But I'll go ahead and open it real quick. It goes from, I think red is the hardest one and white is the softest. So yeah, this will be right here. Nice and soft for that carpet, you know. And some of these they do work good on some leathers, depending on the quality of the leather. You also have some small ones. Tight spots. And, you know, when you gotta get those corner spots, those corner pieces, you also have this, those corners, and things like that. Okay. Let's get all this back in here. Set that right there. Alright, what we're gonna do next? What y'all wanna do? Alright, now these three are gonna be our main biggest items that and that says that you need, but you don't need. It makes your job a lot easier. You get a shop vac, don't get a small vacuum, The tanks are too small. You know, switch bags all day, every day. And sometimes the suction not even that good. Alright, so this right here, a little heavy. Just trying to get that up there. Alright. Get that open. My handy dandy knife. I've had this knife for a long time. Oh yeah, this is what y'all want to see. This right here is our pressure washer. Okay. Real quick. This is our pressure washer right here. Okay. Yeah, it's a pretty long cord on here. That's always good if you don't have an extension cord. So they got a long cord on here. And one thing I liked about this one, it actually came with a spray bottle, so I didn't have to get one. I'm gonna try this one out first before I say I don't have to get one. But generally they all are the same thing, so it comes with one. Alright, got all your nozzles. You got your spray gun. Got your gun. You know, got everything right here. Put it in there. It's pretty long. Pretty long. I mean, this right here was a deal, so I had to get this. I had to try it out. Got your different clip sizes. That'll tell you how much pressure you want to put on this thing. Now let's get this video up to 50 likes at least, so I could make a video of me using this thing. I want to show you guys, you know, how good it is. And of course, you're gonna see me use it on detailed videos that I do. But before we get to that, I can go ahead and make y'all a quick, you know, watch the driveway or something like that. So this is pretty handy. I like it a lot because it's light, as you can see. It's 1500 psi, so it's not no hubble. You know, so yeah, this is nice, perfect size, perfect to move around with. Yeah, let's go ahead and put this back up. Perfect. I'm gonna do this one last since we already see. Which one y'all think? You wanna do this one or this one? Yeah, I think we're gonna do this one last. It's gonna be like this mystery box right here. This for this car detail video. And yeah, leave in the comments. Tell me if you guys want to do detailing, or do you just like watching the detailed videos? Me personally, I love cleaning cars, especially. I actually have a big obsession with cars, because this channel is not mainly about, you know, car washes and stuff like that. It's more so about even the car scene. I got a lot of videos, so please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We got car videos, videos of my car, you know, some stuff that we see on the everyday basis of loving these cars. But a series of washing these cars. It's a pretty good size. So off the bat, I can tell it's pretty good size. Like the tank. This thing's really, really nice. I like it a lot. It's actually a 6-gallon tank, wet and dry. It's always good to have. Nice long cord. Also in the box was these 2 pieces, extensions to go ahead and set some stuff up. Pause. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and open this thing, because I may have some stuff in here. See? Got stuff all up in here. It comes with wheels in there. Your typical vacuum. You know, different pieces, tips. And they have wheels that clip right at the bottom of this thing. So you can move around with it, make it a lot easier instead of carrying all day. Where you can do that. I like that a lot. That was pretty good. This was also a good deal. Most of the stuff I got on a good deal. Let's see if we can close this thing. Put all this stuff in here. got mystery box. Got this. Pretty good packaging. This is Bissell. Let me get this thing out of here so I can show you out. It's wrapped up real nice. Comes with two pretty good tips on there. That's with the cleaner stuff I was talking about. Let me know if y'all guys came with this. Can we focus? Y'all get it. Y'all get it. Now let's get to what we came here for. What we actually came for is the Bissell. You know? This is one of the most important pieces when it comes to cleaning that good carpet. You know? That right there. And, that's everything. Okay, so this is pretty much everything right here, all together that we just went over. This is a pretty good size comparison to everything. Everything I got, I wanted to be compact, so it's easy to move around with, because I will be doing mobile detailing. That's my drill in there. Alright, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my other videos. I do have some other car content videos you guys might like. Let me know what you like about this video. Let's get it to 50 likes. Let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers. If you are looking for anything I did in the video, as far as pressure washer, extractor, anything like that, all the links are in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys are staying corona safe, corona free, and yeah, once it's over with, I get some more car content for y'all. But I will be continuing doing the car washing and detail videos. You will be seeing that a lot more on my channel. So please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe, please comment, and just like the video. Just hit the button right. This right there. Just hit it. Hit the button. Hit the button. It's not that hard. That's gonna help my video, be seen. A lot of people want to see this stuff. Thank you for watching, and y'all have a good day.